Creating and editing videos is one of the biggest bottlenecks in content creation. You need editing skills, expensive software, and a lot of time. But now AI tools can handle a huge amount of that work for you automatically, taking away most of the hard work and making video creation faster, easier, and a lot more fun. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Pictory AI to create professional looking videos in minutes, even if you've never edited a video before. Let's dive in. Now, before we jump into the tutorial, let me quickly explain what Pictory actually is. Pictory is an AI-powered video creation and editing platform that helps you create videos much faster than traditional editing software. For example, you can use it to turn scripts into videos, articles and blog posts into videos. You can create videos with AI voiceovers, as well as AI avatars, add things like captions and smooth transitions, and even create videos for all kinds of social media platforms, including YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn. Now, if you want to follow along with me in this video, then you can get free access to Pictory for 14 days via the link in the description below this video. And if you decide to upgrade to a paid plan later, then be sure to use coupon code SWE20 for 20% off any plan. And if you stick with me till the end, I'll show you a sneaky way how you can up that 20% discount to 60% off your plan. Now, let me show you how quickly you can create and edit a video inside Pictory. So once you're inside the dashboard here, you'll see various features that Pictory AI offers right in the middle. But let's go to the first one, which is the text to video. So for this tutorial, we'll use text to video because it's one of their most popular features and it gives us quick access to the Pictory editor. Now, before creating your script, you'll notice on the right-hand side, you can choose your aspect ratio right here. So depending on whether you're creating YouTube videos, shorts, reels, or TikToks, you can choose the appropriate format. Now, if you already have your script written, then you can just paste it right in here. But if you don't have your script ready, then you can click this Start with an Idea button. And now here, you can paste in an idea and Pictory will create the entire script for you. So at the top, you have various different video type styles that you can choose from. Let's just keep it on the explainer for now. And for my idea, I'm going to paste in 7 foods that help boost energy naturally. And for my platform, let's just keep it on YouTube. And the length, let's put it 1 to 5 minutes. Click Generate Script. And now Pictory spends not long at all, actually, just creating your script for you. And now once Pictory's generated your script, you've now got several AI tools available to you to help you refine it. So down the bottom here, you've got buttons to shorten or lengthen your script, as well as to rephrase it, change the tone, or even optimize it for a different platform. And then in the top right, we can see the estimated runtime of our video. Now, this is where things start to get really interesting, because we're about to turn nothing but text into a fully editable video with AI. So next, we're going to click on Generate Video, and Pictory will ask you to choose a theme. And these themes can make a big difference because they help shape the overall visual style of your video. So whether you're creating educational content or faceless YouTube videos, presentations or marketing videos, different themes can help your videos to really stand out. So let's select this one in the bottom left, and now Pictory is going to start generating the first draft of our video. And after a short wait, Pictory creates the first draft of our video and opens us up directly in the video editor right here. And this is where we can start customizing everything with the help, of course, with AI. So over here on the left in the Story tab, we can see our script, and the script's been broken down into different scenes. So for each scene in the script, we will see a different piece of B-roll footage in the video playhead right here. And one thing that's important to know is that whatever's written here in the scene will also become the caption inside your video. So if you wanted to make any changes, you can simply click on that scene and edit your content directly into the scene. So if you make changes to your script, then the captions update automatically too. And if you wanted to change the style of the captions, you can come to the left sidebar, click on Styles, and then come to the top and click on Text Styles. Now here we will see lots and lots of different caption styles that you can use for your videos. For example, if I click on this one, it's going to change this caption style out in this scene only. But if I wanted to then apply this caption style to the entire video, I need to come back to the caption style and then click on this little icon in the top right corner to apply this caption style to every scene in our video. And if you wanted to go back at any point and undo any changes that you've just made, come to the top left and you can click the undo button and revert back to our original caption style. Next, visuals are a huge part of whether your videos actually feel professional or not. And this is where Pictory can save you a huge amount of time. So one thing Pictory does really well is automatically select appropriate visuals for you based on your script. So if I come back to the story so we can see our script, if I click on different scenes, we will see that Pictory has matched those scenes with very similar B-roll footage. And for the most part, it does a pretty good job at this, but occasionally you will want to replace a script, and Pictory makes that really quick and easy for you to do. For example, we'll find a visual that we want to switch out first of all. So this one right here, the scene says they provide quick energy and help regulate muscle function, but for some weird reason, Pictory's chosen the picture close up of a person's mouth, which is pretty weird. But to change this visual, all I need to do is click on it, and the sidebar on the left will now change and show me lots of different B-roll clips. But I can search for something that's much more appropriate in the search box right here. So let's, I don't know, put something like gym workout. So let's perhaps switch it out for this video of this woman working out in the gym. I think that fits the scene much better. Now, personally, I really like this feature because it saves a huge amount of time, otherwise manually having to source the clips yourself. But that said, if you wanted to upload your own B-roll, then you can also do that too. Just come up to the top right and click on this uploads button, where you'll then be able to drag and drop any images or video clips that you already have. Or the third option that you have is you can click on AI Studio, where you can give prompts down here in the prompts box and get Pictory's AI to actually create images or videos for you from scratch with AI. Now, this is pretty impressive. And if you want to see this feature in action, then you can watch this video that I'm showing on the screen right now. And I've left a link to that video in the description below this video, so it's easy for you to find it. Now, this next feature is probably the one that surprises most people the first time they see it. Check this out. So over here in the left side menu under the audio tab, we have the voice section. And with this, you can actually generate AI voices for your videos directly inside your Pictory account. And what's really cool is that Pictory is partnered with 11 Labs, which is one of the leading AI voice companies out there at the moment. And some of their voiceovers are super realistic. So you actually get highly realistic AI voices for your videos without having to pay extra for them. So let's demo a few of the voices so you can hear what they sound like.
Sometimes it is better to lose and do the right thing than to win and do the wrong thing.
We have committed the golden rule to memory. Let us now commit it to life.
Come closer. Let me tell you a secret. But be warned, you might never.
The world is round, and the place, which may seem like the end, may also be the beginning.
And then to apply the voice you want, you just click on the apply button and Pictory will apply that voice to your entire video. Then also in the audio section, we can come to the top and click on music, where you've got lots and lots of background music tracks that we can choose. And then when you find the one you like, you just click apply, much like you did with the AI voiceover. And the cool thing is that you can also come up to this top button in the right corner here and click on the audio settings, where you can adjust the background music in comparison with the voiceover, so the background music doesn't drown out your voiceover. So if you put the background music right down, have the voiceover volume quite a bit higher, you should be good to go, and you can test it out and then adjust as you go. Now, this next feature is becoming increasingly popular with faceless content creators. Check this out. So over here on the left in the avatar section, you can add an AI avatar to your video. And depending on the type of content you're creating, they can help your videos feel much more engaging and dynamic. So let me show you a few. If we hover over them, we'll see how they move and hear how they sound.
Welcome to the new era of video creation with Pictory.
Welcome to the new era of video creation with Pictory.
Welcome to the new era of video creation with Pictory.
Welcome to the new era of video creation with Pictory.
Welcome to the new era of video creation.
And to add the one you like to your video, you just click on the avatar. And then here, you can change the look of your avatar in terms of what clothes they're wearing. So let's go with this one. And now Pictory is also asking me that since we're adding this avatar to our video, do I want to replace the AI voice that I added earlier? So I can actually keep the other voice and use this avatar, but in this situation, that's going to be a bit weird because I added a male voice before. So it's going to look a bit weird with a female presenter. So I'm going to click replace voice. So this way we're going to have Daphne in our video with Daphne's voice. So that just makes a lot more sense. And I can click Daphne and move her around wherever I want her in the video. Now let me show you a quick scene so you can see what it looks like in the video.
Iron helps red blood cells transport oxygen, boosting your energy levels. Fourth on our list is nuts. They are high in healthy fats and protein.
Okay, quick pause here. If you're getting value from this video, please go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. On this channel, I share step-by-step guides on how to simplify the tech side of your business to help you be more productive, how to actually use AI and other smart tools the right way, and how to turn those tools into systems that can potentially bring in more revenue. So if that sounds good to you, then I'd love you to be a subscriber so you don't miss what comes next. Now, this next feature is one of those little things that can make your video feel much more smooth and polished. So down here on the timeline, you can add transitions between your scenes. So if I hover over the space between two scenes, first of all, we'll see a plus button that we can use if you want to add a new scene, but the button we're interested in is the one below. And if I click on this, we will see different transition styles that we can choose from. If I hover over any of them, we will see a little animation of what that transition will look like. And then to apply a transition, you just simply click on it and it will apply it between those specific scenes. Now, transitions are important because they help your videos flow much more naturally instead of jumping abruptly between scenes. And they create smoother scene changes between your clips and improve the overall viewing experience. Now, that said, once you're happy with your video and you want to publish it, come up to the top right and click on the Generate Video button. Pictory will then take a couple of minutes to generate the video, ready for you to download to your computer. Now, there are two important things you need to know about using Pictory. The first is that the maximum export resolution is currently 1080p. So unfortunately, you can't yet export videos in 4K. For most creators, that won't be a deal breaker, but it's definitely worth knowing. And the second thing is that your usage limits depend on your plan. So if you're creating a large amount of videos every month, you'll probably need to be on one of the higher price plans. Now, let's quickly look at pricing and how to upgrade your account and get an extra discount on your plan. Pictory have a few different pricing plans, all of which pretty much have the same features. The main difference is in your resource limits and how many videos you can create each month. Now, the plans start at $29 per month if you're paying monthly, but if you choose to pay yearly, then you can save 40% off any of the plans, which is a really generous discount. And on top of that, you can also use the coupon code SWE20 to get an additional 20% off. So if you're paying yearly, then you're actually going to get 60% off when you use that code. And that code is a lifetime code, so every time you renew annually, your plan's 60% cheaper. Alternatively, if you pay monthly, then you can still use the coupon code SWE20 and get 20% off your plan each month. Now, to apply that extra 20% discount, what you need to do is inside your account, if you've got the free plan, come up to the top right and click on the little icon and then come down to subscription. And now here you can choose which plan you want. So let's say, for example, I'm going to go for the annual plan and I'm going to choose starter. Now here, this is the plan for the annual plan with the 40% discount. Now to get the extra 20%, click on apply coupon, put my coupon code in here, SWE20, click apply. And now here's my new price. And notice that this 20% discount is a lifetime discount on your account. So every time you renew, that 20% discount will be automatically applied to your account. Now, if you want to become a power user of Pictory and get a deep dive on exactly how to use it, then watch this video right here. Or if you want to see exactly how to turn articles and any web page into a video using Pictory, then watch this video right here.